In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export a resume template in Notion. Before we dive into the export process, make sure your resume is completely finalized and neatly designed. If you built it from a template intended for PDF export, you are already a step ahead. Check your headings, spacing, and alignment, and confirm your sections fit cleanly on the page. A well-structured layout will export far more predictably and look professional wherever you send it. With your resume page open in Notion, head to the top right corner and click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. This is where you'll find all the page-level options you need. From here, select Export. A dialog will appear asking you to choose a format. Go ahead and pick PDF from the drop-down. PDF is the standard for resumes because it locks in your formatting, so it looks the same on every device. Next, configure your export settings. Under Content, choose Everything if you want to include the full design. If your template uses images or decorative elements you don't need, you can exclude images to keep the file streamlined and reduce its size. For page format, choose A4 or letter. A4 is the common standard in many countries, while letter is widely used in the United States and Canada. Pick the size that matches your region or the expectations of your audience so the layout doesn't shift when printed. Now adjust the scale percentage. This controls how large your content appears on the page. Start around 100% and tweak as needed to ensure your text and sections fit cleanly without awkward breaks. If your content spills onto an extra page by just a line or two, slightly reducing the scale can help bring everything back onto a single page. If things look too small, consider modestly increasing the scale or tightening your layout in Notion before exporting. When your settings look right, click Export. Choose a destination on your device and use a clear professional file name that's easy to identify. Notion will generate the PDF and save it to the location you selected. That's your final resume document, ready to share, upload, or print with consistent formatting. And that's the process. Finalize your resume. Open the Export menu, choose PDF, fine-tune your content, page format, and scale. Then export and save. Simple, reliable, and professional. Thanks for watching.